Retire like a genius.
How to become a retirement genius. How to become a retirement account genius. There's a variety of retirement planning vehicles people can save and invest with that will provide them tax-deferred or even tax-free growth, savings discipline, possible matching contributions, and professionally managed investment services. Two primary forms of retirement accounts are 401ks and IRAs. A 401k is an employer-sponsored tax-advantaged retirement plan offered as an employee incentive and retention benefit. Employees voluntarily contribute a portion of their paycheck, typically an automatic deduction, on a pre-tax basis to be invested on a tax-deferred basis. Employee contributions reduce taxable income because it's all pre-tax money off the top of their paycheck. Employers may match contributions and possibly have their portion vest over a period of time as an employment retention strategy. An IRA is a tax-advantaged retirement account that's established by an individual who can make their own investment decisions or hire a licensed professional to manage the account for them. The funds grow in the IRA tax-deferred, but once the owner starts taking withdrawals, these are subject to taxes on the gains, but not the principal that was contributed. After-tax contributions can be made annually that are typically tax-deductible subject to income limits. Retirement accounts have required minimum distribution RMD requirements that start when the account owner hits a certain age, which are then subject to taxation. Funds taken out before the age of 59 and a half will be subject to penalties and taxes unless meeting certain defined circumstances and repayment criteria. Roth IRAs are another form of IRA that allows after-tax contributions to build tax-free and then be withdrawn tax-free in the future. Unlike a traditional IRA, the contributions are not tax-deductible, but once the money is contributed, it will never be taxed again. Roth IRAs have no required minimum distributions, and the money can be withdrawn without penalty or taxes after 5 years. People need to take advantage of opportunities to put away every tax-advantaged dollar they can and then benefit from the growth that occurs over years. Access to retirement plans that allow contributions of pre-tax dollars, especially if there's matching contributions, are among the most valuable vehicles to save and invest money for the future in existence. Whatever form of IRA or 401k is accessible, investors should do all they can to max out their allowable contributions and resist temptations for early withdrawals so they can benefit in the future from years of uninterrupted compound tax-deferred growth. The combination of a well-stocked retirement plan with Social Security and Medicare are the foundations of a financially balanced retirement.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.